I'll not take much long in the presentation. So, but still, please keep typing your questions so that I can answer those questions subsequently after the presentation is over. And subsequently after that, one by one, if any question arise, you can, of course, ask the question. Now, I hope all of you know what SIDBI is. My way is what I feel is I'll give a small introduction of SIDBI and then only go to the schemes that SIDBI has for the entrepreneurs. So I'll start with the presentation. I hope all of you can see this presentation. Right.
Yes,
so,
sir.
Yeah. So let me start with SIDBI. SIDBI was set up in 1990 under an act of parliament. The basic reason was SIDBI was hived off from IDBI, the then IDBI, which was a development financial institution. Now it's of course a commercial bank. But at that point of time, IDBI used to be a development financial institution, and SIDBI was hived off from IDBI primarily to serve the purpose of MSMEs. Now, what SIDBI is doing, everybody will think that it's one and the same thing what banks are doing, but there lies in the difference. Banks are primarily involved into banking activities, that is primarily lending and borrowing. Borrowing means deposits. Whereas SIDBI has been given the mandate for not only lending, but also for promotion and financing of MSMEs and coordinating activities of institutions that get involved in this function. We are a very small, compact organization having approximately 1,000 people all over India and spread across 85 branches and regional offices. And these offices take care of the entire business of SIDBI. Now, when I say why we are different from banks, how we are different from banks. Now, banks, SIDBI is basically not a competitor to the public sector banks. We are there as facilitators. You know, what we do in the direct lending is we don't do what generally banks are doing. We do it partly, but generally what we do, we come out with demonstrative products. We identify credit gaps. With the identify credit gaps, we come out with new schemes, test them in the market, finance a number of MSMEs, and then show to the market that this is something which is a commercial proposition, which is scalable, and then leave it to the commercial lenders to scale them up and to take it to the proportion to the MSMEs. SIDBI doesn't have the wherewithal to actually reach out to MSMEs across the country. With only 85 branches, we can reach out to in some major centers in the country, but to take it to the last mile, we have to use the network of banks, NBFCs, MFIs, now SFBs have come. So this entire network has to be reached, and that we do through indirect lending. So what we do are major. See, SIDBI today has a business of around balance sheet size of around 1,50,000 crore. And out of that 1,50,000 crore, directly we lend approximately 12,000 crore only. The balance money goes into the system through this network of banks and BFCs and other institutions involved in financing. Another major aspect of SIDBI's agenda or SIDBI's mandate is promotional and development aspect. So promotional and development aspect, if we see, what is the major idea of is that SIDBI should be able to reach out to the last mile, to the bottom of the pyramid, support the startup ecosystem. One major thing is banks do not get involved into supporting startups. SIDBI has got into startup financing. I'll come to that when we take the question answer session. I don't have a slide on startup thing, but if somebody has a question to ask, I will respond to it. Then major thing is women, self-employed women, rural entrepreneurship, employment generation at rural levels, so that migration to urban centers can be stopped. Um, these things we do not do directly, we cannot. So what we do is we engage lot of agencies, MFIs, NGOs, who keep doing these things for us. We are facilitators. We have also started a program called Swavalamban. Under this program, all over India, in around 15 centers, we held melas where we uh, allowed space and stalls to entrepreneurs, small entrepreneurs at the rural level who are into basically artisans livelihood thing, and to display their products and to allow them space for marketing. So Swavlamban program is a bigger program. We are also now having a train. We had planned to have a train going across the country carrying startup entrepreneurs, systems, startups into that train, starting from Varanasi, going all over India, back to Varanasi around 21 days. And in that ecosystem, we had planned to have AIFs, we had planned to have mentors and others, so that in those 15-20 days, when these entrepreneurs are on the train, they can come develop their models, they can come out with background notes, they can come out with discussion with financiers as to how they will be able to get the funds for their startup ventures. And this was the plan, but unfortunately the pandemic has come and we have to not shelf, but we have to defer that plan. Probably once the services resume fully, we will start the train again. um, so this is what we had. So entrepreneurship development was one of the important aspects. We also startup ecosystem means we have supporting innovation. And a lot of input is going into financial literacy of these rural entrepreneurs, of the small entrepreneurs, of the artisans, to self become to make them self dependent on finance. And we also encourage a lot of activities through digital initiatives, so that these people learn how to use technology for the benefit of their enterprise. This is the ecosystem that SIDBI has developed. Uh, there are some, these are subsidiaries or organizations promoted by SIDBI. So Mudra, I think most of you would have heard. This is a separate organization promoted by Government of India and SIDBI, where SIDBI is the main, the organization which is running it. It has provided resources. It has provided the human resources also to Mudra. And Mudra is then we have CGTMSE. CGTMSE, our UDAN. It's recently been rechristened as UDAN. CGTMSE is Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Micro and Small Enterprises. Now, this organization guarantees loans given to MSMEs up to 2 crores. There's a talk going on to increase it to 5 crores, but as of now, it is up to 2 crores, where for such loans, MSMEs don't have to give collateral securities. The biggest problem with MSMEs used to be, and still is, a lot of problem is still there, that bankers were unwilling to lend to MSMEs if there are no securities available. So CGTMSE comes in there, and MSMEs are not required to give any security, and they will guarantee the loan. Of course, it comes at a cost which varies depending from bank to bank, but roughly around 2 to 2.5% per annum. Then there was another issue of MSMEs having uh, problem of ratings. If they had to go to larger, these standard rating agencies, there would be charging a hefty fee, and MSMEs did not have so much of structured information, the kind of information and the corporate governance that was required for getting a rating from the usual rating agencies was very difficult for MSMEs to stand up to that level of uh, corporate governance. SIDBI was the first to launch, along with Dun and Bradstreet, an organization called SMERA, which is now been rechristened as Equit. Equit in early 2000s came up with MSME rating, and now we see all the rating agencies have MSME ratings, which require a much lesser kind of a due diligence and at a much reasonable pricing. So SIDBI with Dun and Bradstreet started this Equit rating, which brought one third party due diligence on an MSME, which will give a lot of comfort to a banker while giving a loan. And the rating for the MSME would come at a very cheaper cost. So the pricing of the rating has come down to as less as now 10 to 15,000 rupees. SIDBI's another initiative was asset reconstruction company ISARC. Then one big problem that the MSMEs faced was the receivable finance. So, for that, SIDBI has come up with a earlier SIDBI came with a receivable finance scheme, which was early in the early 90s. Now it is obviously a very well run scheme across the banking sector. And SIDBI is a very small player now in that. At one point of time, SIDBI used to be the major player. Then SIDBI, along with NSE, has floated Receivable Exchange of India, where MSMEs can enroll and get their receivables discounted through an auction process where banks will participate, and their receivables will come. The purchaser or the uh, uh, purchaser will have to pay to the bank on due date. One major initiative for startup was SIDBI Venture Capital Limited, and this started long time back in around 99. This venture organization is for venture capital, venture finance, startup finance, innovation, technology oriented things, has financed up to already around 20,000 crore rupees in the last 20 years uh, in the startup ecosystem. And finally, one initiative that was uh, carried out last year in 2018-2019 is PSB online loans online in 59 minutes. This is a purely online platform, technology driven, and existing MSMEs can go there. They have to furnish 4 or 5 documents, upload there, and within 59 minutes, they will get an in principle sanction from any public sector bank. And this is a platform which has been developed in collaboration with 5 public sector banks by SIDBI. But this platform uh, is a very well received platform. Government has also appreciated it, and more than, if I'm not wrong, more than around 70,000 crore worth of loans have already been sanctioned. But this is only a in principle sanction. Then, of course, the other process has to be gone through offline. Coming to MSME, what is the definition of MSME? All of you probably are aware. This goes as per MSMED Act 2006. So manufacturing MSMEs are divided into manufacturing and service. And this definition, of course, I don't have to read it out. You can see it. This is the definition for MSMEs. About 10 crore investment in plant and machinery, the unit becomes large. Similarly, for a service sector, investment in equipment above 5 crore, the unit becomes large. Micro, small, and medium classification is given. Now, coming to SIDBI, now what product we have to offer to the MSMEs? So we offer majorly we are a term lender. We started doing working capital also of late, Not of late, around 15 years back we started, 14, 15 years back we started working capital also, but still, not being a public sector bank, working capital we don't offer as standalone product to any an SME. It's always a product which goes along with term loan. We primarily are a term lender, and we finance for projects, for setting up new projects. So greenfield projects, which generally the bankers are not financing. We take up greenfield projects, we take up modernization, diversification, capacity expansion. We give loans for equipment, for purchase of machinery from OEMs, from importing of machinery. We also give loans in forex for import of machinery. Then we also give loans for setting up infrastructure. Please,
Hello.
somebody's
Hello.
mic is on. Hello. Yeah, somebody's mic is on. Can you please switch it off? Can you keep it on the mute?
Yeah, I have a question regarding.
Sir, please, my
Hello.
request is,
Can you hear me?
yeah, sir, yeah, please. Hello.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hello.
Yeah, yeah, please. Can you hear?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, you can continue,
Yeah,
sir.
Hello. Yeah,
yeah.
sir. Hi.
So please, so please
Can
type
I
your
ask question?
question or keep it ready.
I request everybody, you can take your questions at the end, please.
Yeah. So we finance for solar rooftops.
Okay.
We
Okay.
also give loans against property for business purposes, not for any other purpose. For bona fide business purposes, we also give loans against property, and working capital. As I said, we do working capital only along with the term loan for our customers, not as a standalone product. So we don't have only working capital customers. For term loans, these are the major parameters. We require around 25% promoters margin. Balance we finance. Purpose can be setting up of enterprise, expansion, modernization, diversification. The money can be used for land, building, machinery, ancillary equipments, preliminary expenses, funding of interest during the construction period. Ordinarily, the rate of interest is 10% to 10.5%. We come out with specific schemes where rate of interest can be lesser. Till now, we still have, but very small amount is left in that. We had a smile scheme where we were lending at around 8%, 8.5% rate kind of a thing, where the fund was given by Reserve Bank of India. So we have already close to exhausting that 10,000 crore that was given to us. We have around 1,000 crore left, so we still continue with that. But generally, the rate ranges 10% to 10.5%. Repayment period we can give up to 10 years. In special cases, a few years beyond 10 years also. But generally, 5 to 10 years. Last year, 2018 onwards, we've got into MOUs with most of the major original equipment manufacturers in engineering, in automobile, injection molding, your CNC, VNC, textile machines. These kind of majority of the OEMs, we have already entered into an MOU with them. As of now, as on date, I think 45 of them. And where we finance loans up to 4 crores for purchasing the equipment directly from them. Yes, we have certain eligibility criteria, like we cover only those units under this who have satisfactory financials for last 3 years. What we do is, in this, the rate of interest is around 8.8% to 10%. Maximum period allowed is 5 years. For solar rooftops, we started the scheme up to 2.5 crore we give for installation of solar rooftops. And here also we expect that the unit is in existence for last 4 years, satisfactory record. And solar rooftops can be from 25 kilowatt to 500 kilowatt capacity. We also give them greenfield units can also be done. What is included is solar panels, inverters, AC, everything, and that also includes installation cost. Interest rate here is 9.1 to 10.20%, and again, maximum 5-year repayment period. Uh, During the pandemic, SIDBI has been very quick. By the last week of March itself, we had come out with a scheme approved by our board, through also appreciated by Government of India, where we are giving loans up to 2 crores to entities who are engaged in manufacturing of uh, products which are helping in this coronavirus crisis, like people manufacturing N95 or better quality masks, uh, your ventilators, products, parts that are going into ventilators, medicines like hydroxychloroquine, uh, and any other medicine that's going towards coronavirus. Here, what we've done is, uh, in order to ensure that the turnaround time is fast, we are looking only at units which have already been in existence for past 2 years, and for them to acquire plant and machinery, other assets, including we give for working capital also. The rate of interest is 5%, and this 5% includes the cost of the CGTMSE, the guarantee cover. So while for SIDBI, actually the return is coming to be only 2.5 to 3%, and here for 5. And I am happy to say that we had earmarked 100 crore worth of 100 crore funds for this purpose, and SIDBI has already, we started around 27th of March, and today we have already finished, exhausted 90 crore out of that 100 crore. So much of loan has already been sanctioned and disbursed under this. Disbursement has been slightly less, around 50 crore. Sanctioned is 90 crore under this scheme, and turnaround time is just 48 hours. So if you give complete information within 48 hours, we are sanctioning the loan. Startup assistance, COVID startup assistance has also, we have come up. Although SIDBI is directly not doing startup financing, it has an ecosystem. It has developed an ecosystem, including its own subsidiary, SIDBI Venture Capital Limited. But here we felt that there is a need for existing startups who are already into business, who had already got first round of funding from a SEBI registered AIF, and have a minimum employee base of 50, minimum turnover. So these startups, we didn't want these startups to stop their operations just because of lack of funds. So we came up with a direct assistance scheme from SIDBI called SIDBI COVID SIDBI Startup Assistance Scheme, where we are giving up to 2 crores at a rate of 10.5% to these startups which had already had a first round of funding. Working capital, as I said, we don't do standalone. We do only where one of the main reason for that is SIDBI doesn't have permission to have a current account. So we are not under Banking Regulation Act. So we have had tie-ups with 2-3 bankers where current account has to be opened with those banks, and all operations will be handled by SIDBI. So that's a seamless operation, totally integrated, technology driven. So for a customer, there is no hiccup. For him, it's just like operating working capital limit with any other banker. The range of interest range here is 9.5 to 10.15%. That's all about SIDBI. So now I will request all of you to kindly ask your questions.
Can I
Hello,
ask a
sir.
question?
So, yeah.
Hello. Yeah, hi sir. How are you?
Yeah, I'm
Yeah, hi,
absolutely
sir.
fine.
My name is
Can you
Asif.
please? Yeah,
Hi,
Asif, tell
yeah,
me.
hi, sir. My name is Asif. Yeah, I'm from Lucknow, and
Yeah,
we have a greenfield company. I mean, we develop a security app for the apartment and
okay,
gated communities. and
Yeah.
we captured like 50-50 apartment here in Lucknow.
Yeah.
Okay, and
Yeah.
integrated recognition system into our, like
I think many people have switched on their mics. A request, except for the speaker, others may kindly switch off, mute their mics.
Yeah, sir.
Given the
So basically, we want to expand, and we need a lot of support in terms of application development and everything. So we approached online for the loan, and we had applied like 2 months before, but none of the banks they are responding. And we approached Bank of Baroda, SBI, and all the banks. Hello,
Yeah.
hello. Okay. So like,
Hello.
can you tell me what is the exact procedure to approach them so that they will do something?
You went through the online portal. You went through the
Yeah, through
online
Jana
PSB
Portal
online.
applied for the loan. Yeah, and nobody,
You went
none of
to
the bank responded. And personally, also I approached Bank of Baroda, I approached SBI, but they are not
yeah.
responding. And we have got the certificate from DIPP. We have got the
No, no.
certificate in Startup
But
UP.
when you went to that PSB online portal, did you get the
Hmm.
in principle approval?
No, through Udyami portal I have applied for the loan. Udyami portal, Udyami Mitra.
Udemy Mitra portal. No,
Yeah, Udyami Mitra portal.
that
Under Stand Up
uh,
India.
because this not about SIDBI. This about the banking system. So I'm not able to. I will not be able to tell as to why they are not sanctioning
No,
and
but
what
this
is
is
the reason for them to.
all. This is comes under SIDBI only. SIDBI and NABARD. They are the one who is supporting the startup ecosystem. Through you guys
Yeah.
only it can be done. I mean, right? The 10,000 fund it has been given to you guys, and you are the one who's approaching the banks and do the needful. But the problem is here banks are not responding. I mean, banks they are not, even though they are not going through our documents as well. Though we have got the recognition from each and every sector like DIPP, and we capture some of the market also, and we have developed a
Yeah.
feature which is related to COVID. Like nowadays,
What I would
yeah,
what I would suggest is you please go and meet the local SIDBI branch in Lucknow.
okay,
Okay, so that
okay.
they will be able to guide you.
Any contact person, because I have approached your local office. They told me that I have to approach venture CDB venture capital in Mumbai.
But they
So
will
I also
facilitate.
yeah,
They will facilitate that. We have actually startups ecosystem is a very specialized. You would understand it's a very specialized kind of a job. Skill
okay,
sets required are different. So SIDBI has its very centralized. One is SIDBI Venture Capital Limited, and another is
okay,
which is based in Mumbai. And we have our
okay.
own SIDBI startup vertical which functions from
Hmm.
Delhi. So what I will
Okay.
do is I will
Hmm.
you please leave your phone, or you can note down the mail ID.
Yeah, please tell me your email address. Yeah,
Yeah, just a minute. Hold on. It
no
is
problem.
just a minute. I will
No
give
problem,
you
sir.
the
Thank you
mail
so much.
ID.
I
Yeah.
appreciate your help.
So
Thank
I'll
you, sir.
yeah. Just a minute.
No problem, sir. So we developed that feature also, sir, the face recognition one. Like
Yeah.
we can implement hospitals and all the gated
Okay.
communities. So that feature is also
Okay.
we have developed into our app.
You can take down the mail ID Vikrant Vikrant
VIKRANT Vikrant, right?
@sidbi.in.
Address should be dot it. Can I
Dot in.
mention your reference? Your reference, sir?
You can mail it with my reference that you had interacted with me in your webinar, and
Okay.
I have given you the mail ID, and he will
Hmm.
guide you. He is into the vertical that is taking care of
Okay.
this entire thing.
Okay.
Okay.
It's I'll repeat the email address VIKRANT @sidbi.in, right?
@sidbi.in.
Okay.
Right.
Thank you, sir. I'll get in
Okay.
touch with him.
Sir,
Thank you. I really
sir, good
thank you so much.
afternoon.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Sir,
please
good
tell me.
afternoon.
Yeah. Good
I am
afternoon.
Vijayaraman from Chennai. I am Vijayaraman from Chennai.
Oh yes.
Yeah, I am a LLP having a 50% my wife and myself to
Okay.
avail a woman entrepreneur because as on 31/3/2020 we are in 50% partnership LLP. Now create a
Okay.
woman entrepreneur. What is the document? What will be the procedure to create
Yeah,
woman
that is,
entrepreneur? Since I want to increase,
sir,
yeah,
creating
I want
women
to increase
entrepreneur,
my.
that is a legal
Yeah,
issue. I think that you will have to consult your somebody's company secretary or a chartered accountant. How do you create an entity?
no, I know the procedure. Excuse me, I know
Procedure is
the procedure.
procedure
I
is
have
same.
to. Yeah, but,
Procedure is the same.
only
Procedure is the
document.
same.
Yeah, yeah. I want to
Document
understand the document is
document.
sufficient. Is sufficient for SIDBI and the MSME bank. No.
You require a MSME Udyog Aadhaar memorandum. So you have to be UAM,
Yeah.
your UAM, your KYC documents. Okay, your LLP registered LLP is partnership deed. Okay,
Okay.
and if you
Okay.
have been operating for last 2 3 years, your balance sheet, your profit loss account,
Yeah.
your annual accounts. These are the major documents that you require. We'll also check your CIBIL. We'll check your CMR. If you come with
Okay.
those documents, balance, our people will guide you. Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Rajan Ahuja from Ahmedabad, Gujarat.
Yeah.
Sir, my question to you is when you talk about the scheme which is related to COVID-19,
Yeah.
existing unit means unit should be existence for more than 2 years. But is it
Yes.
okay if that is not a existing customer of the SIDBI?
No, no. It has to be only an existing unit. Need not be existing customer of SIDBI.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Hello, sir.
Hello.
Uh, hello. Let me talk maybe, and then you can take it ahead. Okay. Thank you. Hello.
Can I
Hello.
just put in a question, sir?
Yeah, please. Sure.
Sir, I'm Mrs. Bajaj from Gurgaon, from Haryana. I just want to know, does the Mahila Udyam Nidhi still exist? We have
Which
received
committee,
these
ma'am?
emails. Mahila
Which
Udyam
committee,
Nidhi,
ma'am? No, madam. The Mahila Udyam Nidhi is been stopped long time back.
yeah.
Yeah.
And any other scheme for women entrepreneur?
Madam, we have lots of schemes. Please visit our Gurgaon. You are in Gurgaon, so please visit our Gurgaon branch. We don't have any specific scheme for women entrepreneur as of now,
Okay.
as of now.
Okay. Okay.
But there are many schemes where the rates of interest are very attractive.
Yeah.
You can visit our Gurgaon branch, and they will be able to guide you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Hello.
Sir, my name
Hello.
is Kishore.
Good afternoon. Hello.
Good afternoon.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. My name is Kishore.
Yeah.
Like, I'm into the uniform man. We are the uniform manufacturers. Like,
Right.
our unit is situated at Chikbellapur. We want to create a rural development for rural people, to create
Yeah.
employment for the rural people. In that way,
Okay.
it's a past 10 years we are into this garment industry. Like,
Okay.
not only into uniforms, you want to go
Hmm.
for further like t-shirt, your uniform, like stitching of shirts, t-shirts, casual shirts, like that. But the
Yeah.
thing here is the unit is at Chikbellapur and the
Yeah.
corporate office is at Hyderabad.
Okay.
Like, actually it's a proprietary concern. So
Okay.
is there any and I got a registered, my company is registered in MSME, Udyog Aadhaar,
Okay. Yeah.
and we are registered in the KVIC also.
Okay.
So in that manner, we have approached so many banks for the further development of the organization.
Hmm.
Because of this COVID, we did not move further, because
Hmm.
of this, because we have to get the material from Mumbai and Tamil Nadu, like that. So we
Okay.
have stopped the manufacturing right now. So
Right.
now we are looking for is your office is at Hyderabad, and we can you're able to provide loans for this for the further expansion of the business through
Sure, we
SIDBI.
can. So obviously we can. So please go and meet our regional head in Hyderabad. Okay.
Okay.
He is also taking. He is also in charge, regional head for Karnataka also. So you can go and meet
Okay.
him. So for Chikballapur,
Okay.
he will be able to help you out.
And one more thing, sir, for this, is there any collateral security, sir? We have
Sir,
to
that
keep
will
any
be
collateral
based that
security?
sir how much loan you require, whether you have uh, requirement of whether you have want to give collateral security or not. You will have to. If you don't want to give collateral security, we will cover you under Credit Guarantee Fund Trust for Small and Medium Enterprise at CGTMSE, and there it comes with a cost. It comes with a cost of 2 to 2.5%. So if you are willing to
Okay.
either of the two, you can have a look at. Please go and discuss with him specifics only after seeing your papers, your documents. Then only they can tell.
And a small
Uh,
query, sir, like, it's a small query. Like, we have got lands, agricultural lands in Chikballapur. It's
Yeah,
almost all 10 acres over there.
yeah.
So we can keep that as a collateral security. Is there any
No, sir.
provision for that?
If it's an agricultural land, most of the state governments bar agricultural land to be taken as security for non-agricultural purpose.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Okay. So
So
we
you
will not
can't.
be able to take agricultural land as security.
Okay.
good
So
afternoon,
as
Mr. Tony, sir.
like we got to open
Yeah,
land in Hyderabad.
Yeah, that if it is there, go and discuss with them. They will only be able to tell you the details, sir. You have a property,
Okay.
you will have to get it. That specifics only the branch can tell. Okay.
Okay. How much we
Rustoli
can
sir, good
provide the
afternoon.
loan, sir, if at all?
Hello.
Okay,
Yeah,
sir.
Rustoli
Thank you,
sir,
sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Yeah. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Rustoli sir,
Next one,
good
please.
afternoon.
Good
Basically,
afternoon.
we are a startup. We are a company
Yeah.
which is based out of Ahmedabad. We have
Very good.
found just 1 year back, but
Yeah.
we are into solid waste management.
Yeah.
We have got a project awarded from the Coimbatore Municipal Corporation, basically Tamil Nadu Municipal Corporation,
Okay.
where we
Okay.
have to
Okay.
set up a project there with a
Yeah.
fixed mandate from them, which is a 2 year mandate with a fixed service fee.
Okay.
Now we are looking funding for that project. Is it possible we can put our project to SIDBI for these purposes, sir?
Sure. You can, if you are putting it up in Coimbatore,
Yes, sir.
then depends on what you are looking at. You are looking at a loan, or you are looking at some kind of a funding through in the form of a investment.
So we are
How
looking
do you
in form of loan, sir. Basically, we
in
need
form of
10
loan?
CR. 10 CR is a
Okay.
requirement, but we want to
So
put
you
it
can
up in two phases. In the phase one, we want 5 CR, and in another phase, we want another 5 CR, sir.
then you can meet our Coimbatore branch in charge. Whenever
So
you are
it
in
doesn't mean
Coimbatore.
that the company is based out in Ahmedabad, but can we put the proposal at Ahmedabad branch, or it has to be done with the Coimbatore branch only?
Normally we prefer to finance while you are in Ahmedabad and you are based out of Ahmedabad.
Yeah.
Normally we prefer to finance closer to the branch nearest from the nearest branch. Okay,
Okay.
so you can discuss it at Ahmedabad also. You can go and talk to Ahmedabad. Mr. Ravindran is the regional head there.
Okay.
You can meet Mr. Ravindran.
Fine,
Okay.
sir. Fine.
Yeah.
But these kind of proposals can be funded from SIDBI, right?
Yeah. Proposal can be funded from SIDBI. No problem.
Yeah, for a new startup. Right.
Hello, sir. This
Hello.
is
Thank you, sir.
Gayatri. Yeah, hi, sir.
Hi.
I'm from Hyderabad. Like we have a garments. Is my voice audible, Satya, sir? Satyaki?
Yeah, very
Well, thank
easily
you.
audible.
See, like we have a garments factory in Hyderabad, and because of this, for past 2 months, like we are not able to run because of the current situation, and I have no idea, like if there are any schemes to protect us. To maintain these employee salaries and maintenance of the organization for these 2 months. We are really
Madam,
burdened so much because
you
we are
are
into
banking
the.
with any banker at the present?
Yes,
You
sir.
have
Yes, sir.
working capital.
State Bank.
Hello.
Yes,
You
sir.
have working capital limit with some banker?
Yeah, already we have like exceeded the limit. I can say, like we don't have currently any more limit as of now. But these 2 months, we are really confused, like how we can protect
Most of the
ourselves.
banks are offering some ad hoc limit over and above the limits that have been sanctioned, 15%. Most of the banks are offering for this to get over this temporary problem. And they
Mhm.
have also, as per RBI's guidelines, they would have also given you moratorium for next 3 months.
Okay.
So those things have you explored with your banker?
No, sir. That is the reason, because actually speaking, like I'm out of the country and my manager is managing this for a few months and he's just on my head. Like, what should I do, madam?
No, you need to talk to your banker
Mm-hmm.
and please speak to your banker. They will be able to guide you because all the banks today have
Mm-hmm.
already given you deferment for 3 months. Would have, I don't know whether you know it or not, but would have given
Mm-hmm.
you deferment for paying if your working capital payment of interest, or if you have a term loan payment of both
Mm-hmm.
installment and interest,
Okay.
EMIs for 3 months as per RBI directive. So up to June 30th, nobody means at your request, they will not ask you for payment of money. Number one, payment
Okay.
of their dues. Secondly,
That is
most of
fine.
the
Mm-hmm.
bankers are giving you ad hoc limits over and above
Okay.
what is already given if your account was standard as of
Mm-hmm.
March 1. So
Yes,
they will
yes.
be giving you, so they will be giving you, most of the banks are offering. I don't know specifics of each bank. I
Mm-hmm.
know only about Citi. So for our own customers, we are giving 15% ad hoc. But we do not
Okay.
have any scheme in SIDBI that will be able to help you out at this moment. Okay.
Okay. I'm sorry. You'll be.
Any scheme in SIDBI we do not have. We have for our existing customers. But at
Oh,
this
okay.
point in time, to help you out with the working capital, when you are enjoying working capital with some other banker, may not be
Okay.
possible for SIDBI.
Okay. Fine. Fine. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Satya sir, sorry
Hello,
to
sir.
disturb you.
Hello.
Sorry to interrupt you, sir. I got
One by
one
Sir,
one,
can
doubt.
I
please.
ask a question, Kishore?
Sorry, sir.
Sir, I just want to ask you one question, Mr. Satiki. Good afternoon.
Yes.
I am a startup. I'm a startup running my company from last 2 years, and we are DIP certified, and we already have Udyog Aadhar and all the stuff. But we have not yet. I'm running my company with a bootstrap, as a bootstrap company. We have not raised funds.
Okay.
Is there anything which a company of our stature can actually look up to? Can we look up to SIDBI for any kind of help? Because I
Oh,
saw the
sure.
questionnaires that are there in SIDBI, but a couple of questions says that if you have already taken some loan, or if you have raised any funding, then only you are eligible. But sir,
No,
consider
no.
us running a bootstrap company from last 2 years, but now in this situation we need some help. Can you
Sir,
please guide
please,
us on that?
please get in touch with our. I had given out a mail ID just 10 minutes back. Vikrant@sidbi.in.
Okay, sir.
Yeah. So you get in touch with them. See, they are running we have a fund where we finance lot
Mm-hmm.
of venture funds. We finance
Okay, sir.
a lot of venture funds. We don't do venture capital directly normally. Startup funding
Sure,
directly
sure.
we don't do. But they
Okay.
will be able to link you to a uh, fund, venture fund, which is into financing your type of units. Okay.
Okay.
And then it's a process between that fund and you. So SIDBI will only be a facilitator in this case.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay. And
So you can get in touch
this will
with.
be this money. Sure, sure. I'll do that. And this money will be, as a private equity, will be invested in the startups, or is it a fund of funds? Is it coming from the government side?
No, no, it will be coming from the private funds only. It can be private funds, it can be government funds because there are lots of funds. There are state government run venture capital funds. There are some funds run by central government. There are some funds run by private players. So
Sure.
it depends on from whom you get linked up finally. So it depends like
Okay.
that. So if you are in,
Okay.
I don't know which state you are in.
I'm in Ghaziabad, UP.
You are in Ghaziabad. So UP government has started
Yes.
its own startup fund, and SIDBI has helped UP government to set up that fund. Okay,
Okay.
so you can get in touch with UP government's that fund also. Okay.
What will be, okay, maybe maybe I'll actually direct my questions to
if you
Vikrant.
get in touch with Mr. Vikrant, he will give you all the details. I also am not
Okay, sir.
much aware of the finer details, but this much I can say that UP government itself is running a startup fund, which has been helped,
Yes,
which has
yes,
been
they do.
brought up with the support and assistance from SIDBI. Okay, the fund is
Okay, okay,
okay, so you can go
thank
through
you,
that.
sir. Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah,
Hello, sir. This is Minakshi. I'm from Bangalore.
yeah.
I am planning to set up a manufacturing plant in, herbal products. So there is a range of products. So I just wanted to
Okay.
check that is there any possibility where city can, help out, women entrepreneurs for
Yeah,
initial level funding or some kind of a support, or is there any government, support is there specifically in this area?
yeah, SIDBI will be able to support you. Not for setting up of your plant. We can give you a loan. We don't have any specific scheme, as I said earlier, also for women entrepreneurs, but you can certainly we will be willing to fund you. You can go to a Bangalore branch. And, from there, hello.
So I need to go to the Bangalore branch and I can
Yeah,
discuss.
you are in
I
Bangalore,
need
no?
to.
You are in Bangalore.
Mhm.
You said you are in Bangalore.
Yes.
Yeah, you can talk to the Bangalore branch. You will get the details on SIDBI website.
Oh, okay.
You can talk to them and then go there. Otherwise, you can mail it to me. I will link you up to Bangalore branch. My mail ID is, I'll just type it here on the chat. You can note down my mail ID.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Thank you.
Hello. Hello, sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes, yes, madam. I can hear you.
I am Hyderabad, Kamala Devi. I'm speaking. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Yeah, madam. I can hear you. Please go ahead.
Sir,
I'm
I'm a
Bedni.
Oh, very madam.
Hello.
Yeah. Hello. Yes, please go ahead, madam.
I'm Bedni from Manipur. There is MSME registered women entrepreneurs, amount 60 women here, and recently we have registered. We have formed a cluster and register on trust, and for that cluster we are looking to make a common facility center. In this case, this SIDBI can help.
Yes, madam. We can help. We can help you by way of a grant also in for a common facility center. Not only loan, we can help you by way of a grant. That's our major thing. You can, if you are any time, you can go and meet our Manipur in charge. Okay. And otherwise, if anybody is going to Guwahati, our regional head sits for the Northeast. So there you can discuss this. Or you can also mail. You can also mail your requirements to me. I have given my mail ID just now on the chat. You can take my mail ID. Hello.
Just can you repeat the spelling of your mail ID?
SATYAPIR. I'll type it again.
Hello. Yeah, please.
Sir, we cannot see your chat. Can you let your mail ID know?
Hello.
Hello.
Sir,
Yeah.
I'm a Komla Devi. Sir, I'm from Hyderabad.
Yeah, madam.
Venika Herbal. Actually, content in Telugu में बात कर सकते हैं सर या हिंदी?
मैडम हिंदी में बात कर लीजिए तो ठीक है. तेलुगु आई डोंट नो.
Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Actually, ग्रामीण में से ज़्यादा सर मेरा वेनिका हर्बल हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट मैन्युफैक्चरिंग कंपनी है सर पास्ट 5 years से. I'm lot of investment देते मैं actually small scale medium in the unit है. So lot of invest कर रहे थे. अभी लॉकडाउन इस पे पीरियड पे हुए. हेलो
हाँ मैडम बोलिए. हाँ, आपकी आवाज सुन रहा हूँ मैं, बोलिए।
हाँ, एक्चुअली मेरे को और जरूरत है फंड्स का अवेलेबल, पैसा मिल सकते हैं। और अभी लॉकडाउन ओपन के बाद थोड़ा मार्केटिंग करना चाह रहे हैं। अभी मैं लॉट ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑलरेडी कर चुकी हूँ हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर।
आप
तो हेयर ऑयल
आप हैदराबाद में हैं तो हमारे हैदराबाद ब्रांच में जाके मिलिए, वहां से वो आपको गाइड करेंगे।
सिडबी का
हाँ, सिडबी का।
सिडबी का मैं लास्ट एग्जीबिशन में भी स्टॉल दिए सर। मेरा मैन्युफैक्चरिंग अच्छा है बोल के परसों
अच्छा,
नामपल्ली एग्जीबिशन नंबर 1 प्रोडक्ट में है। तो उधर बात कर
हाँ,
सकते हैं क्या मैं? लोन्स
बिल्कुल
का
बिल्कुल
अवेलेबल?
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल
थैंक
बात
यू
करिए आप। या
So this is Abhishek from Gurgaon. I have a
या
small question. Yeah,
यस
sir, I run a solar company. We have offices in North India in several places. Now I had tried for CMSC scheme, etc.
या
And so we found that it is very difficult for even upcoming and growing MSMEs to get loans. So can somebody customize it, seeing my profile and tell me that you can better apply for this loan or this scheme instead of so many schemes that you have discussed? How do we do that?
yeah, you will have to, I don't means this guidance providing is also our job. So
Right.
if you can go to my, you said you are in Gurgaon, so you
Yeah.
can go to my Gurgaon branch, they will be able to guide you.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Sure, sir.
Sure. Right.
Sure, sir. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Hi, sir. This is Suraj. So I'm calling you from Hyderabad-based startup. We are DIP certified and even Udyog Aadhar certified. Sir, can you hear me? I'm sorry.
Yeah, I'm hearing you.
Yeah. So we already took a CGTMSC loan in 2017, I
Yeah.
suppose. So is there any other option for us to avail? So right now we are having zero revenue and we have to process all the payroll and right. So can we avail any credit services from the government?
I didn't get. So you have taken CGTMSC loan.
Yeah, we have taken
Now,
CGTMSC in 2017.
Okay, how much?
It's around 1 crore.
Okay.
So right now we are looking for few options where we can pay our employees. So as the lockdown is there, we are having zero revenue. So we are looking out for options to pay
You have
our employees.
taken a loan, but have you got any kind of a venture investment into your company? You said you are a
Yes,
startup.
we have. Yes, we have.
You have from an SEBI registered AIF?
No, so we got it from private venture capitalists.
No, probably private venture, but are they SEBI registered?
Yes.
All India Fund. So if that is there, then we have I just told you in the presentation also, we have a COVID startup assistance scheme where up to 2 crore we give. So you will have to contact my vertical in Delhi. The mail ID is vikrant@sidbi.in.
Okay. So I've missed the presentation, sir. I'm sorry, I've joined
Okay,
late
that's
due
okay,
to network
fine.
issues. So can you please share us the presentation, the link of that presentation?
I'm giving you my mail ID. You can send me your details on this ID, and I'll give you a link. I'll link you to the correct person in Sydney. My mail ID I've typed in the chat. You can take it.
Sure.
Hello, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir. This is
Yeah.
Sid from Bangalore. Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can.
So, sir, I have a very generic question. I could see like a lot of people are asking that I am from Bangalore or Lucknow or different places. So I just have a very generic question here is like if let's say I'm from Lucknow or maybe from Bangalore or maybe from Hyderabad. So
Yeah.
what is the best way to connect to the district office or to the regional office to understand like what all different schemes SIDBI is providing and whether my startup is eligible for that or not? So just in general, I just want to know like how to
In
initiate
general,
that.
see, wherever we do not have offices in all the districts. Number one, we are
Okay.
told you, we have a very small organization having only 85 branches all over India.
Mm-hmm.
Branches plus regional offices. So branches are around 73 only, 74 only. Okay. So 74 branches all over India, majorly into in the state capitals and major industrial towns.
Okay.
So, and
So
if you
your
have to go to the regional
suggestion
office,
would
it will be only, we have only 10 regional offices, only in selected centers all over India. So you can
okay.
go to the nearest branch that is closest to you, wherever you are. If you said you are in Bangalore, so Bangalore we have a branch. Bangalore we have two branches. We have a branch in Pune industrial area also. You can go to either
No,
of the two.
yeah.
You will get the guidance.
So what happens actually sometimes when we are going into the local branch, sometimes if we are into services or something, it is somewhat difficult for a startup to make people understand, even the bankers also, like what this startup is all about, because they want to see the tangible assets when you are talking about your startup. So
Agreed.
yeah, so
So
that
that
is
is
a
why
problem most of the
what
time we are
our people
facing.
know. See, what my team will do is they will link you up to the correct person in SIDBI, because
Okay.
startup ecosystem requires very specialized skill sets, and people, as
Mhm.
you said, for a for normal banker, it is very difficult to understand the intangible assets.
Yeah.
Okay, and that valuations and other things that go on. So even if I am also not in that startup ecosystem, for me also it may be a bit difficult to appreciate uh, the intricacies of your project. But we
Mhm.
have a system, we have a vertical that handles only that, and that's based out of Delhi. Okay,
Oh,
so
so
you
Mr.
can
Vikrant
contact
would be
them.
the right person.
Mr. Vikrant would be the right person.
Okay, sir. Thank
He
you a
are
lot.
the people who have
Can
good
you,
skill set.
sir, can you please tell us your mail ID once again, because we are not able to see that.
Satyaki
Yeah, no
R,
problem.
SATYAKI, Satyaki R @sidbi.in.
Hello.
Hello.
SATYAKIR.
SATYAKIR, Satyaki R.
Okay,
Hello.
right. Thank you very much, sir.
My name is Satyaki.
Hello.
Satyaki and R taken from Rastogi. Satyaki R @sidbi.in.
Hello. Sir, this is Sunita. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah.
Hello. So I'm basically from Bangalore, and we are into
Yeah.
consultancy services and all. So,
Okay.
like, I just want to know this SIDBI Bank gives loans only for the manufacturing sectors, or we can get grants even for the service sectors also.
We give loan for service sectors also.
Okay. So there
Yeah.
also, but in service sectors, there won't be assets or machines or anything. For that also, there's no problem, sir.
No problem at all, madam. Depends on
Uh-huh.
what is the loan amount, accordingly whether
Uh-huh.
security is required or not required. That all things have to be seen. But
Uh-huh.
give loan to service sector.
Uh-huh.
There is no restriction on that.
Okay. 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 Okay, sir. Okay. Thanks a lot, sir. Thank you.
Good evening, sir.
Uh,
My name is Hamid. I'm from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
Can you hear me, sir?
sir,
Yes, sir. So right now, sir, I'm running a company that is an advertising company. It's a private limited company.
Yeah.
However, during this fight against COVID, we have some ideas towards which we wanted to build a product come service together. It's mostly a service in which there are few products involved, which doesn't require a lot of manufacturing, but rather a small manufacturing unit. So we understood that we wouldn't be falling into the safe category of the scheme that you're providing, because
Yeah.
we are not running from 3 years also. But the Smile scheme that I saw is something that I felt was not related to COVID. Is that correct?
Okay. Correct.
So can I avail a loan for this service come product category, which is below 1 crore, with
Yeah.
any kind of new entity that I can form, which is not related to the private limited company that I'm already owning, or does it have to be a private limited or LLP or something specific like that?
No, we don't. While we prefer that the company is a private limited or an LLP, but we give loans to everybody, even proprietary concerns, partnership concerns. So that's not an issue. You can approach the nearest office and apply for a loan.
Sure, sir.
Obviously,
I'll
you
do
have
that
to
in the
you
Hyderabad
have to
branch.
be
Thanks so much.
qualifying to the eligibility criteria. That is different. So that only they
What
will
would,
tell. But
okay, sir.
Uh,
I'll contact the Hyderabad branch. Thanks a lot, sir.
yeah, okay,
Satyaki sir, sorry to interrupt you. Like,
yeah.
may I know the regional manager here in Hyderabad so that I can contact him and there is a mail ID.
Regional manager is Mr. Sanjay Jain,
Okay.
and I think his mail ID. Just a minute, I'll let you know his mail ID.
And
Just
one
hold
more
on a
thing,
minute.
sir.
Yeah. Please go on.
Sorry, sir.
Please, you are asking one more thing.
Like, you know, as I told, like we have got 10 acres in Chikballapur. Like apart
Yeah,
from
acha,
this
okay.
manufacturing unit, we want to go
Yeah.
for a agro based millets kind of thing. You know, like keeping the
Okay.
buffaloes, going for the agro products. Like, you know,
Okay.
if we go for a partnership over there, like if we go
Yeah.
for a loan that like NABARD, like if we
Yeah.
go for a NABARD, they will go through banks, like nationalized banks. So in
Yeah.
that they'll be asking from the partners also, they'll be asking the collateral security from both the parties. Like, you know,
Okay.
even means one party is in Hyderabad and one party is in Bangalore. So it is
Yeah.
those kind of things, they'll not provide any loans for that, right? No, sir.
Yeah.
Not even SIDBI is like that, or SIDBI is other than apart from
If
that,
it
you
is
know.
an agriculture or agriculture related activity, like you are talking about this, so that we anyway we don't do. That's under NABARD's prerogative. We don't do that agriculture related activities. We don't finance
Okay.
that. Okay. So for that you will have to approach NABARD only.
NABARD only. Okay.
Yeah.
Can I have the mail address, sir, of Mr. Sanjay Jain?
sjan@sidbi.in.
So,
Hi, sir.
like along with the MSME certification, we have to, what are the paper documents we have to provide to SIDBI, sir?
Sir, I told you,
To,
please go to them. You require your UM certificate, your KYC documents, your balance sheets,
okay.
and this is the minimum that is required. Then balance
Okay.
papers they will tell you.
Okay, because we have got a current account in Syndicate Bank, as it was merged with
Okay.
the Union Bank, Union Bank, Canara Bank, and we have got 5 months of GST. We are filing every month GST filing.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah.
is it possible to get a loan from the SIDBI?
Yes, sir. You have your GST. If you are filing GST loan, please carry a copy of your filed GST returns also.
Hi, sir. This is Renju. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can.
Hi, sir. I'm from Kerala, in Calicut. I'm
Yeah.
running an industrial training institute under the National Skill Development Program, where we
Okay.
train the kids on skills like electricians, fitter, etc. So I just wanted
Okay.
to
Okay.
know if we are also eligible for such loans if we have to start with additional skill development program, etc.
Ma'am, you please contact our Kochi branch in charge. And not only loan, we can also help you out with some kind of a grant assistance.
Okay, okay. Thank you, sir. Do you have email of that with you?
You
Of the
can,
Kochi?
I'll just give you, just hold on. Difficult right now. You can mail it to me. I will.
Okay, okay, sir. I'll do that to your email ID, right?
Yeah, please.
Thank you so
Hello,
much.
sir. Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, good afternoon. Good afternoon to you.
Yeah.
I am calling from Hyderabad. Venica Herbal Products is our company. Venica Herbal Products, and we make these hair care products. Fundamentally, it is hair oil and some the flagship product. And we are in existence since 5 years, and product is well accepted everywhere. The point is we want to expand it, and so we're looking for some assistance. and
Please go to Hyderabad branch.
so we want to scale it up to small scale category. That is the reason we are talking.
Please go to my Hyderabad branch. They will
Hyderabad branch, sir.
Yeah.
So just now my partner also spoke to you. Just previously. So, is there any special scheme because of our enhancement to scaling up from micro to small?
No, there is no special scheme, sir.
So what do you suggest now? What is the scheme you suggest?
You go to Hyderabad branch, and they will give you a loan, normal loan. The rate will be somewhere around 10% plus 10%, 10.25%.
Is it a direct funding? Is it direct funding, or we have to go through a nationalized bank?
It depends on what a quantum of fund you want. It can be direct also. Otherwise, they will direct you to some bank or something. Okay.
Oh, yes. Thank you very much. Nice.
Okay.
Sir, can I ask a question?
Yeah, please.
Sir, I'm Suma Avasthi, calling from Hyderabad itself, and I have an organization called Visesa Parirakshita, and this is into waste management services.
Okay, madam.
We have a couple of waste management technologies and methodologies which we are trying to induce into the society, and which are innovative as well. So, in fact, I was working very closely with we won an award from Niti Aayog and DST also for this, and we applied for the buyback grant, but I don't know when will we receive the funds and things like that. So I will not be able to, with the given scenario, I have no clue what's going to happen, but I need funds to run the show as well as come up, I need the grant to come up with my patented products and things like that. And the working capital, a lot of things. So I was wondering, how will you be able to support me on this, and what should I do for that?
Madam, I am also not able to look at how we will be able to help you in this case, because you need to discuss the intricacies, the details with the local person there only, because I am not aware. I can't get in the details here right now. So you can probably go and talk to my Hyderabad branch people, and they will be able to probably guide you as to what can be done, what best is possible from SIDBI's side. Okay. Because you are into waste management and all, we can also probably help you into some kind of a activity in Hyderabad. But to give you a working capital or a loan at this point in time, only they will be able to take a call.
What about the funding and the grants?
That's what I'm saying. They will be able to take a call there only.
Okay. Right, so thank you so much.
Do we lend for e-commerce business also?
What kind of e-commerce business means? What are you expecting funding for?
Funding for transportation and storage.
Yeah, we do transportation, storage, everything. Warehousing,
sure. Thank you, sir.
Everything we do.
Yeah, sure. Thank you, sir.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. This is Mukund Parmar from Baroda, Gujarat. I have a question related to, I am planning to start a unit for EV manufacturing, EV electrical two-wheelers manufacturing. And I bought a land with government industrial corporation. So I just wanted to know, what are the benefits available for a new company, for a new organization to set up, and what are the procedures? If you can help me, please.
Sir, benefits available. Every state government will have lots of benefits that they are giving to a new company. They will have interest subvention. They will have capital subsidy available. So those things, I think you will have to, at SIDBI, we will not be able to specifically tell you what is applicable in Gujarat. Means I will not be able to tell you. You may be able to find it out from if you go to SIDBI Baroda, probably they will be able to help you. As regards documents and all that are required for taking a loan, you will require Udyoga Aadhar memorandum. You will require if you're a private limited company, your memorandum article of association. If you're a partnership deed, then you will require a project report. We'll require your last 2-3 years balance sheet if you have, your net worth statements, your KYC documents. So these are the few things that will be required minimum as you approach for a loan. But what are the benefits available at the state level? At the central government level, the only thing available till now was 2% interest subvention if you've taken a loan up to 1 crore.
Okay, thank. And one small question. The EV is, considering the current, COVID situation and SIDBI is offering so many benefits. EV electrical vehicle manufacturing is coming under some of the, some of the schemes or not?
Not yet.
Okay, thank you. Thank you, sir.
Good evening, sir. I'm Kanaka Durga from Hyderabad.
Yeah.
What is the minimum quantum which will be lent by you? Is there any amount cap?
Normally we prefer, there is no cap as such, but normally being a very small organization, we don't get into very small loans. So minimum we try to lend is 10 lakh rupees.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Thank
Good
you,
afternoon,
sir.
sir. Is it eco-based products manufacturing? Is it comes in CB, sir?
We can finance.
Okay, sir.
We
Thank you.
do finance, not we can, we do finance.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Good afternoon,
This is a good question actually. So does this include solar power systems as well? Solar wind powers?
Solar wind power we do selectively, right? What we are doing majorly is solar rooftops. We do not do standalone solar and windmill power projects. Only if solar and windmill is being used as a captive power projects, then only we do it.
Captive, you mean to say that for industrial purposes?
For their own purposes. See, if any industrial manufacturing unit is there which wants to set up a windmill, wind power project or a solar power project so that it can bring down its electricity bill by utilizing then we finance. But we don't do standalone wind farms or solar farms.
Yeah, okay. I got you. No, actually, I have a project, which we are looking for strongly for solar panel manufacturing and the wind generator manufacturing. So for that
we
project,
can finance. That we can finance. That is a manufacturing of solar panels and wind panels. That is a different thing that we can finance. We don't do projects, power projects, solar power projects, farms, wind farms.
Sure. Thanks a lot, sir. Again.
Yeah.
Good afternoon, Mr. Rastogi. This is Shyamala Machina calling from Rajahmundry. We are into the solar module manufacturers.
Yeah.
Are you audible?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Yeah. We are into solar module manufacturers. Thing is that you are saying you are giving the funds for solar rooftop projects.
Yeah.
Are they really need the collateral?
Collateral is not required as far as I think till such time the funding is up to 2 crore.
Yeah, 2 crore. I see that. Thing is that most of my customers are asking for collateral free loans. If it is okay, I can go forward. That's why I'm asking this.
Yes, madam, you can ask them to go to SIDBI. You can ask them to go to SIDBI. Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, I think now the questions, everybody has taken the questions. Dr. Sandhya, are you there?
Yes, sir, I'm there. I
Yeah,
think,
so
thank you so much, sir. I think we are very patient enough to answer each and everyone's question. I
no,
think
it's
all the
my
participants
responsibility.
now they got a very clarity about the SIGBI schemes. Thank you so much, sir.
Yeah,
And we'll be
thank you
getting
very
lot
much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. I really appreciate.
Thanks a lot, sir, for giving us this opportunity to interact with the people in the field, people who are entrepreneurs, budding entrepreneurs, and it has been a really a privilege. And I thank everybody, and including CI MSME and Dr. Sandhya Rani and the entire team
Thank you,
for
sir.
providing
Thank you so
SIDBI
much.
this opportunity. Yeah, thanks a
Thank you
lot.
so much,
For
Thank
sir.
you.
sharing the
Sir,
information. Thank you.
hello. Sir,
Yeah,
Mukund
yeah,
sir, a small last
yeah,
question. I
yeah,
heard Sidbi's Swavlamban Express was planned
yeah.
earlier, in the month of
From
May or
1st of
June.
May. Yeah,
Means,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, but the plan has been, it seems, has been put on hold. So, do we
Yeah,
have
it
any
has to be.
plans further for?
No, we don't know. So
Pardon, sir?
let the things pan out. Now. There are no railway services right now. So how can we at this point of time say when are we going to do it? Because the services have to be
No.
restored, and then
Yeah, my question is similar to that. Means there will be a difficulty to hold the project on the train. Means as per earlier structure. So means the plan will be there to hold all all incubation or all entrepreneurship development program.
I have no idea, sir. This is something that I don't handle, so I will
Okay,
not be
okay,
able to
okay.
respond to this. But maybe if you can mail me your question, I will get back to you by uh, by forwarding it to the respective the concerned person. Okay.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Thanks, sir.
Sir, do you mind sharing your contact details?
I've already given my mail ID. You can
Okay.
note down. I am typing it in the chat. You can note it down. Okay. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir. Thank you
Dr.
so much,
Sandhya,
sir.
Thank you.
Thank you all participants also. Thank
Thanks
you.
a lot.
thanks.
Thank you,
Thank
sir.
you, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.